Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you these coffee cups and mason jar Maggie Holmes embellishments that I'm going to be using for a swap with my friend Gayle. So I just want to show you these just in case it inspires you to use your scrap stash today. I'm going to start with my first one. This is just a simple, I used the barcode on the bottom of the 12 by 12 paper that we normally have. I think they are very beautiful and it looks super good in a small embellishment like this. Cute mason jar, just a fussy cut camera from the Flourish collection, and this is a cute teacup. I thought I'm going to leave it blank so that my swap partner can decorate it how she sees fit. This one is another one, just layering of papers. That's a frappuccino. Here's another version of a frappuccino. I love making coffee cup and mason jar embellishments. They are so adorable. Here's a very simple mason jar. And the paper collection is just so beautiful in itself that you feel you don't need to decorate it that much. Here's another layered look of the mason jar. I've decorated some of them, but some of them I'm gonna leave blank so that my partner can decorate it how she sees fit. This one is another, this is another coffee cup. It's a venti coffee cup embellishments with some layered paper. I think it's super cute. Here's a smaller version. I think this is a grande coffee cup. And this one is a gray foam heart. So cute. And then Be You Bravely, and then just some stickers that I layered on there. Here's a frappuccino. I used a fussy cut butterfly, put a sticker on there and called it good. I love using vellum. I think it makes it look so special. Here's another loaded one. I think it looks so beautiful, having all those layers. And the tickets, I love these tickets. It goes a long way with one sheet of paper. And this one is from an older Maggie Holmes paper, and then this one I stamped and fussy cut. This is when I was just trying new things, but still cute. Here's a very flat embellishment. Very flat. I just used stickers and layered them and then put the vellum. So if you don't like the volume, that one would be yours. This one is such a cute teacup. I just put a sentiment and then a tiny little flower. I thought that would be so simple. This is a non-decorated coffee cup, so she can decorate it herself when she gets it. So cute. It is a very simple, just a flower and a sentiment. But the paper is so beautiful. I don't remember what paper this is from, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Right there. Then here are some non-decorated ones that I'm going to be sending. I thought it'd be so cute for her to decorate, and you know, if she doesn't have the die, she has the option of decorating it herself. Just using the beautiful paper from Maggie Holmes. Right there. So guys, I hope this inspires you to use your scrap stash today. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. And I hope you can consider subscribing to my channel. I love making embellishments, and I love sharing the embellishments online because I feel that inspiration can be shared with everyone in this small crafty community that we have. This is Christian signing off. Have a wonderful crafty day, guys. Take care. Bye.